In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do basic math in Google Sheets with simple formulas. Let's start by opening Google Sheets and clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. You'll know the cell is selected when it's outlined, and you'll also see its address in the name box. This is where your calculation will live, so choose a clear spot in your sheet to keep things organized. To tell Google Sheets you want to calculate something, type the equal sign. That single symbol is your signal to start a formula. If you forget it, Sheets will treat what you type as plain text rather than math, so always begin with equals before entering numbers or cell references. Addition is straightforward. After the equals sign, use the plus sign to add numbers or cells. For example, typing equals 5 plus 7 will add those two numbers. You can also click a cell to insert its reference and then type plus and another cell. So equals A1 plus B1 adds the values from those two cells. You can mix numbers and cells too, like equals A1 plus 10, to add a constant to a cell. Subtraction works the same way using the minus sign. Equals 10 minus 3 gives 7, and equals C2 minus D2 subtracts the value in D2 from C2. This is useful for differences like budgets, scores, or any comparison. For multiplication, use the asterisk symbol. That's the star character, often Shift plus 8 on many keyboards. Typing equals 2 asterisk, 3 multiplies 2 by 3. With cells, equals A1 asterisk, B1 multiplies those values. Multiplication is great for quantities, prices, or scaling numbers. For division, use the forward slash. Equals 8 slash 2 divides 8 by 2, and equals E1 slash F1 divides the value in E1 by the value in F1. If the result isn't a whole number, Sheets will show a decimal. Just be aware that dividing by 0 will produce an error, so check your data if something looks off. When you're done typing your formula, press Enter to see the result. The cell will display the answer, and if you click back on it, you'll still see the formula in the formula bar. One helpful tip: when your formula uses cell references, the result updates automatically if those cells change, which keeps your sheet dynamic and accurate. That's all you need to perform basic math in Google Sheets. Start with equals, use plus, minus, asterisk, and slash, and press Enter to calculate. Keep practicing with your own numbers and cells to build confidence.